Hi, this is a quick update video of Project Alpha. So as we saw earlier, the fence was put up and the electrician put in a pole and the temporary water connection was fitted in as well. Then the demolition began. So first thing they do is they take off all the asbestos that's present in the property and then they wrap it up in a bag. So all this asbestos is disposed of separately in a special way, and they would provide a receipt that shows how much asbestos has been disposed of. These days, this is important as an evidence of asbestos removal. So after all the asbestos is disposed of, they proceed to demolishing the building. Once the building is demolished, there's a whole lot of debris, which is why they bring in these big rubbish bins. All this debris basically goes into landfill. And then the site clearing begins. Bins that get full gets taken away, they bring in empty ones, and so on and so forth. Once the site is clear of all the debris, they use the same bulldozer to level the land. So what the level is going to be was indicated by the papers that were submitted to the council. And once all the job is done, the demolisher will provide certificates that state that all the asbestos has been removed in accordance to the law and all the demolition work had been carried out in accordance to the law as well. And that completes the demolition process, and now the exciting stuffs they begin. Next, the different phases of the construction will begin, and that is where the updates are going to get more interesting. We will learn things about how a building comes together, the critical points and the little details. I'll be bringing them in separate videos. So be sure to drop by again. I shall see you in the next video. You take care of yourself.